So here we have two videos. They are 360-degree videos, and one of them, this one, has black circle on the top and on the bottom. And those two. Now how to get rid of those? So one is on the bottom and one is on the top. And the other video does not have those, so it is corrected. I have to zoom out using the scroll wheel of the mouse, and there is no black circle here. Okay, how to fix that one? Well, first of all, I exported my INSV videos using Insta Studio into ProRes files. The ProRes files were introduced here into DaVinci. These are the ProRes files, MOV extension, and from here I accidentally exported the videos using a 16:9 aspect ratio, more exactly 4K. This one, 3840 by 2160, and that is bad because the original video, let's say that one, here at Inspector and File, we can see that it's not 3840 by 2160 but larger. This is more exactly a 2:1 aspect ratio instead of 16:9, and because of this bad exporting from DaVinci, my video file got a lower resolution, 16:9 aspect ratio, whereas the original one larger, 5000 something by 2800. So make sure the resolution is correct when you export from, let's say, DaVinci or whatever you are using, and then your video should not have those two circles on the top and on the bottom. Okay, because if I take a look at this video using a different video player, let's say Media Player Classic Home Cinema, this is not reading the 360-degree comments of the video, and thus we can see black bars on the top and on the bottom, and these two black bars were converted using this spatial metadata injector into circles because the video was made spherical. My video is spherical, and after that we got two circles, and if the exporting resolution was correct, that is 5760 by 2880, then if I open it with, let's say, mpc-hc, then I don't have black bars on the top and on the bottom. Thus, when converted to spherical using this program, the video had no circle on the top and on the bottom. So make sure you are exporting from your video editing software at the original resolution of your videos.